Hi, I'm Nick Manojlovich from Oh, wow, this is crazy. This place is filled with fruit flies. Have the same problem. I'm here to help. Why not make the weekend at the cottage easy? Homemade fruit fly trap. If you're tired of being distracted by fruit flies, all those pesky critters hanging out over your peaches, tired of taking a sip of Chardonnay only to spit out a fruit fly, this is sure to do the trick. Here's what I want you to do. You're gonna take a small glass into which you're gonna add 1 ounce of your favorite dish soap. Next, we're adding 2 ounces of apple cider vinegar. Add 3 ounces of cold water. Stir everything together. Cover with wrap, secure with a rubber band. Then take a toothpick, poke the top. The fruit flies are gonna go in there and die. So sorry, fruit flies. The easy homemade weekend at the cottage fruit fly trap, it works every time. Until next time, I'm Nick Manojlovich. We'll see you without your fruit flies again soon. Take care.